Korea rero nigo hamubwatesia umwaziri mukuru Fred Matiang'i gutarase enka ya umweshimiwa Raila Odinga ya Opoda se county ya Siaya herikuru eng'ora yaba yabene gochiase ya mateyo ababwatani bari ba mubwatesia bose babwatesia abara yabo ngamo nomo rai kurwase bunge ensemo bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi, Mheshimiwa Clive Gisairo, Mwaseneta wa county ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Richard Onyonka na boigo Mwaseneta homokoro wa county ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Sam Ongeri. Mujumbe omukuru w'ensemo bunge ya West Mugirango Mheshimiwa Vincent Kemosi na boigo omwanasiasa Omingo Magara Egati yabande.
Nechingaki abarai Korwa chinsemo bagendete kumutalera umutakanwa mama Ida Odinga iliokomoremia maega yogosirio mugakoe Raila Odinga. Litko lya lero NIGO Egati abarai Korwa sorgongo rwa Gusii Goikerana ase Enka yaye iliokomoremia chingaki echi chobokendu. Okwana omwasiri omukoro w'obulendi bw'ime Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo bamwiraneria idambu ya mono asoko bali baga lyokomutalera nonye nabo nigo baenekia kwemanya amange weteranya gosira Raila.
Let me start first of all, Mama, by thanking you sincerely for finding time and agreeing that we see you briefly. And both Nyanza and Gusii, this division was not there. I told you when we spoke this morning that every time you sat with Raila, it was an opportunity for you to learn history that you didn't know, or to learn something and understand something you didn't know.
Boigo niga enekebuna kubwatikana no mate obuyaba bwatena Raila niga baraiya bange barabe bagoikerana araro elio komoremia.
Sure, I am aware that there are at least two other groups of people from Gusii who are coming to see you. Grassroots leaders, women leaders, others who want to spend time with you. You have seen another two groups and you're seeing us today. It will continue like this because of the relationship and the environment that Mzee cultivated within this area. And Mzee Raila had a way of dealing with all of us. Even when there were tough times, he always had a way of getting us together to ensure that we focused on one thing.
Omugabana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyalibo nigo ainyora obokoleri bwa Raila ase okubakinia gesiasa chinga kiba chengera obokoleri bwaye.
Tumekuja na ujumbe moja, tuko na wewe. Mzee ametutrain kama mimi nilikuwa one of the youths wale wanaenda mbele kabla mzee ajaingia kwa rally. Ametutrain na wakati yake ya kupumzika ilifika, so leo tuna celebrate maisha yake.
Abarai abasae kurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii nigo basemigo kubwatia chimbaratiro chenya gosira Raila anene asogokora obogesaku.
Those of you who are young leaders, like my wonderful people here, Gisairo and Kibagendi and engineer Badia. The best thing we can do to Raila is one, do everything we can to erase tribal boundaries in this country. The story of tribes is primitive, and if there's anybody who fought that and lived against that all his life was Raila Odinga. If you really love Raila, your war against the tribal lines must be bold, strong, and pronounced, so that we build Kenya. Raila was leading Project Kenya. That is what we should all be focusing on. Let's keep peace, and keep unity, because that's what Raila wanted for Kenya.
Mama Ida Odinga nigo agokera abarai abo batalire nehere anene asokumuika ange chinga kechiga chobokendu.
I'm very happy to have seen this group. This group comprises of many people of different areas. I've seen the Wazee. Thank you very much, Wazee. I've seen Wakina Mama. I've seen leaders. I've seen young leaders who have got a big responsibility to carry the mantle that they've been left with. Your coming here cannot be taken for granted. it is special, and I'm most thankful to see you and to welcome you to this place.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV, Opoda Farmer.